In this video, we are going to discuss about a magnetic dipole. It is a current carrying circular loop. Suppose I am having this is a loop which is carrying a current I. This is known as a magnetic dipole, and it is also known as magnetic loop. For example, if I take this bangle, if I am having a wire of this shape and one section the current is entering and from the other section the current is leaving. So this form a magnetic dipole, and it is also known as a magnetic loop. Now, property of a magnetic dipole is represented by magnetic dipole moment. So the magnetic dipole moment is defined as the product of a current in a loop and area of the loop. See here, suppose I am having this is your loop having area capital A and carrying a current I, then the magnetic dipole moment is given by I into A. If this loop is having n number of turns, then magnetic dipole moment becomes capital N multiplied by I into A. Now, the direction, magnetic dipole moment is a vector quantity. So the direction of magnetic dipole moment is given by right hand thumb rule. So what is according to this right hand thumb rule? That is, rotate the fingers along the direction of the current, then thumb will represent the direction of magnetic dipole moment. For example, see here, if this is your magnetic loop and the current is carrying along the direction of the pen, movement of the pen, like this one. So then, if you use a right hand thumb rule, this is your right hand, and rotate the fingers along the direction of current, that is along this direction, and thumb is pointing the direction of magnetic dipole moment. So that is moving, that is along the upward direction. So similarly, take this example, then the loop is along this plane in this direction. Then rotate the fingers along the direction of current. So here, that is along this is the direction of current. I am moving my fingers along the direction of current, then thumb will point the direction of magnetic dipole moment, that is along this direction. So the direction of magnetic dipole moment is along this direction. We know that for a magnet, a tiny magnet, we have two poles having a north pole and south pole, and the direction of magnetic field for a magnet inside a magnet, that is equal to from south to north direction. So if you compare it with this simple magnetic dipole or magnetic loop, you will find that this dipole or a magnetic loop have two poles. One is pole is above this loop and second pole is downside of this loop. If I make another one diagram here, see here, this is a simple magnetic loop carrying some current I. So this loop has two poles. One is above this loop and one is at the down of this loop. So since it is inside carrying loop, so the south is at the down and north is at the up for this particular direction of current. So you can say that a tiny loop, current carrying loop, have two poles, that is north pole and south pole. So here, if I write this magnetic dipole moment in a vector form, so it becomes m vector is equal to I into area vector. Since I is not a vector quantity, so I put the vector on area vector. Similarly, here also, so this give you the magnetic dipole moment in a vector form. The magnetic dipole moment is equal to I into A. Then the SI unit of then the SI unit of magnetic dipole moment is, current is measured in ampere and the area is measured in meter square. So its unit becomes ampere meter square. Thanking you.